Hey, and welcome to my vlog. And this is Searching For. This is my first attempt at using the Lowrance Castable Sonar, and this is a 3D unit. I'm not sure exactly how I got into hyper recording here, so I'm gonna have to voice basically through this. I've got this on a 15-foot lanyard, which you really need. You use it for pulling behind the boat or just dropping it over the side. In this case, it's really not long enough to do what I want to do in the pond itself. Now, about 8 feet. Playing with this thing, I'm finding it right now looks pretty accurate. And then further down with the use of it, it's way out of calibration. So I'm not exactly sure what the deal is with it, but after using it 2 times, I don't know exactly what the issue is with it. But as far as I'm concerned, the hard part is getting to know the options of it. You're able to adjust it to see the different fish sizes. You can go to, of course, 3D mapping and simulation, but unfortunately my depth is not correct and I'm not finding water temperature . So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and take it off this 15-foot lanyard and stick it on a regular fishing pole. And we're going to try this again. Now, as you can see, I got it on the end of a fishing reel. We cast that sucker across the pond. And we're going to go from there. Alrighty. Let's try it again. Hey, look at my feet. There we go. Screenshot, tap that. Drop pins. Alright. Okay. She's sitting right dead, almost dead in the middle of the pond. So it's gonna go 3D. Now I got it in feet. Okay, so right now middle's about 3 feet, 4 feet. It's under 16. How wide are we? Five feet. Five feet, 4 feet. Into 3 feet.
Oh, we got another one. 2 feet. 2 feet. Okay. And 0 feet. We're out of the water. Alright. Let's get the crop off of it. That's cool. All right. Let's throw it again. It's time to see if we can get it across the pond. There we go. Beautiful. All right. Really? 28 feet? Really? I think 7, 5, 7, 5, 7. I'm pushing it right across here. Wind is actually blowing it right to me. One foot depth, ain't no way. See what goes on. Approximately how far did you throw? About 30 feet. Let's get her all the way to the other side of the pond if we can. Well, I'm doing that. Like 4 feet there. It says it's 4 feet. 3 feet. That crap off of it. Come in. Okay. So we'll try. Okay. Back in there again. Let's say 3. Nope. What I'm looking at. Wind's just pushing it back across here. I don't know what I got here. Like 24, 4 feet wide. We got a pheasant coming this way. Now we're dropping to 4 feet. And it just dropped into 24 feet. Wish I knew it. Wish I knew what it was doing. Looks like 23, 24 feet. I'm going another different direction. 20. Can't be right, because now we're at 19 or something here. Our ranging must be this. Let's see what we got. 85 degrees, or 80, water's 82 degrees? I don't think so. Okay, see what happens. Guess it's showing fish. Guess it's giving you depth. This is showing fish. So that's that option. Let's try this one more time and we'll quit. All right. Next. All right. So I'm gonna do right now is I'm mapping the bottom right now. Okay. Looks like I did it. We're good for now. Alright. Let's get this cleaned up and put it away. Oh man. That's okay, I guess. Back in here. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And you'll catch me on the next Searching For.